Sandy Joys.
Hi guys, welcome to my Sandy Joys channel. Are you ready to have some fun? Today, we're going to create a super colorful farmhouse with sand painting. It's so easy and fun, and you can draw along with us. Let's get started with our bright colors and make the best farm ever. I'm going to paint this picture with bright colors. What's your favorite farm animal?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here,
coloring with me today? I can't wait to show you what we'll create next time.